Alright, it is Monday, November 9th, 2020 at 12:07 a.m. So it just turned into Monday. Alright, let's take a look quickly here at the National Hurricane Center. We have Tropical Storm Eta, and then we have Disturbance 1 with 30% chance of cyclone formation in the middle of the Atlantic. But let's focus on Tropical Storm Eta. Maximum sustained winds of 55 knots or 65 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure of 993 millibars. Located 24.6 north and 80.5 west. Movement northwest at 12 knots or 14 miles an hour. Alright guys, so Tropical Storm Eta, let's take a look at the key messages for Tropical Storm Eta. Heavy rainfall from Eta will continue across portions of Cuba, Jamaica, the Bahamas, and southern Florida, and spread north into central Florida. Life-threatening flash flooding is possible across the urban areas of the southeast Florida. Significant life-threatening flash flooding and river flooding is possible in Cuba, and significant flash and urban flooding are possible for Jamaica, the Bahamas, and the remainder of southern Florida, along with potential minor river flooding in central Florida. Hurricane conditions are expected tonight and early Monday across portions of the Florida Keys and are possible across portions of southern Florida. Tropical storm conditions will extend well away from Eta Center across the southern and central portions of the Florida Peninsula. There is a danger of life-threatening storm surge in portions of the Florida Keys. Life-threatening storm surge is possible along portions of the southern coast of the Florida Peninsula. Residents in these areas should follow any advice given by local officials. Eta is forecast to approach the Gulf Coast later this week as a tropical storm and can bring impacts from rain, wind, and storm surge. Interest in this area should monitor the progress of Eta and updates from the forecast this week. Alright, let's take a look now at Coastal Watch's warning and forecast cone for the Storm Center. We have Eta here at the Florida Keys right now on Sunday, Monday. It is forecast to become a hurricane 7 p.m. on Tuesday, 7 a.m. on Wednesday, and then back to a storm by 7 p.m. on Wednesday. And I heard it's supposed to be stalling over this region over here while it's a hurricane. Then it will become a storm and travel to the Florida Peninsula 7 p.m. on Thursday and 7 p.m. on Friday as it becomes a storm and gets closer to the Florida Peninsula. Alright, it is maximum sustained winds of 65 miles an hour, movement northwest at 14 miles an hour. Alright, let's take a look at some satellite image. This is Eta right now over the Florida Keys. Let's take a look at a bigger image. It is affecting, bringing rain to parts of South America, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, parts of Cuba, and parts of Florida. It's bringing plenty of rain as it affects. It is a big storm. It just like the clouds just extend really far down. But it is over the Florida Keys right now. Let's take a look here at Twitter. It says here strong winds and heavy rainfall are affecting most of the upper Keys as the center of Tropical Storm Eta approaches the middle Keys. Please stay indoors. And then you see here a little animation gif of Eta approaching the Keys. Alright, let's scroll down a little bit. It says wind with landfall expected shortly near Islamorada. The northern and eastern parts of Eta circulation center is looking much better organized as it approaches Islamorada in the Keys. Alright, scroll down a little bit more. See if there's any other things on the storm. It says Tropical Storm Eta has made landfall in lower Metacumbe Key, Florida at 11 p.m. Eastern. So earlier in the evening it made a landfall. Also, from Jim Cantore, says here worst impacts at this time well for the center of Eta. It says November 8th, 8:15 p.m. the potential for significant flash flooding is increasing for eastern Broward County and surrounding areas. Remember to never drive through flooded roadways, turn around, don't drown. You see an image here of Broward County circled because of the possibility of flooding in that area because of Eta coming in and bringing so many rain clouds. All right, so flooding is the issue when it comes to Florida right now. The winds aren't that high; they're only 65 miles an hour, but it could still probably uh, level a trailer home. So please be aware if you live in Florida that the storm is coming in. And God bless you guys. Hit like and subscribe for more news. See you guys next time. God bless.